good morning from Taichung. If you've got past the little introduction, it means that there was a video to put together, because maybe as you can see the weather is not great. There's quite a bit of rain predicted, but hopefully I can cobble together a video of what I get up to see here and around here. Probably going to again, hopefully going back to the coast and seeing some more fishing boats and eating some more fish stuff. Moving on from here, I'm here for about a week. Moving on from here, I've got then about a week in Bangkok, before about 10 days back in the UK, and then it's back to Cape Town, South Africa. Yeah, looking forward to that. Probably going to be there for maybe about 5 months. So got quite a few things planned already. One going up to Namibia, and then some other stuff. Hopefully see some elephants, and who knows, maybe even a cruise or something. What's not to miss? So if you are enjoying it, please subscribe somewhere below, and I'll check you later.